All right, students. So as we said earlier, our goal today is to be able to solve expressions with exponents. So are you ready? I'm going to explain what we're going to do, and then actually someone in the room is going to repeat back directions. So the first thing that I need everyone to do is grab some paper and a pencil so that you can work at your desk. That's the first thing. Can someone repeat that back to me while you're grabbing your paper and pencil?
I grab my paper and my pencil.
Awesome. Okay. Thank you, Kat, for repeating back that direction. And then we're going to actually take a moment and watch me work out a problem first on my paper right here. So you'll get to see me work out a problem. While I'm working it out, I would love for you to work out the problem as well. And then you'll hold up your paper when I'm ready. I'm going to say, hold up your paper, and everyone's going to hold up their paper. Okay, so anyone want to repeat all of those directions so far? Let's see. Karen, can you repeat?
Lift up your paper.
Oh, lift up your paper. Excellent. Thank you, Andrea. So we're going to lift up our paper when we're ready, when I say go, okay? So we're first going to watch me work out the problem, and then we'll lift up our paper so we can all see the same problem on the whiteboard. All right, students, so we're going to start with this problem, and we're going to have x is going to equal 3. So everyone write that at the top of your paper so you remember that x is going to equal 3. And then what we're going to actually work out today is x squared plus x. And we'll put an equal sign. We're going to solve for x today. So I'm actually going to work this one out for you while you're working it out at home. At the end of this problem, we should all have the same answer, so we're going to hold it up and share with each other. If I use 3 as my x, I'm actually going to put 3 squared plus 3 equals. I'll give everyone just a moment to write that one down. Okay, so the first step, after I've got my x's in for 3, or 3 in for my x's, I'm going to do my exponent first. So if 3 squared, it would be 3 times 3 plus 3 equals. So that's one way to write this problem. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 3 equals, okay, I'm going to put my answer here, 9, 10, 11, 12. So my answer to this problem is 9 plus 3 equals 12. Can everyone hold up your paper? Let's see what you got. So this is going to be our practice run to see if we all can write on our paper. Thanks, Karen. Thanks, Andrew. Thanks, Alexis. Sam, I would love to see your paper. If you could turn your camera on and show me yours. Amanda, how about you? Can you show me your paper? Camera's not working today. Okay, so Jen, if your camera's not working, I would love to see you write this in the chat too. You can always put your answer in there when we're finished. Sharon, thanks for the love. Let's see. Who else can I call on? Molly, would love to see your camera on. Tony, can you turn your camera on so I can see your paper? And Allison. Okay, and if your camera is not working today, go ahead and put your answer in the chat. Awesome. All right, so let's go on to the next problem. So this one, we're going to do it together again, but I'm actually going to ask some questions as we go. So again, we're going to still keep with x equals 3. So go ahead and put that at the top of your paper. And then the problem we're going to solve together is x squared plus 4x equals, and we're going to solve for this one. So x is 3, x squared plus 4x equals. All right, so here's my first question. What do I do first? What should be my first thing that I do with this problem if my x is 3?
plug in all your, the 3 to all the x's.
Oh, thanks, Karen. Okay, so I'm going to do this here while all of you do this at home. So if I put 3 in for my x's, I have 3 squared plus 4 times 3 equals. So give me a 1 in the chat if you agree. Does that look right? 1 in the chat if you agree. Thanks, Trish. Thanks, Kat. Thanks, Alexis. Thanks, Jen. Thanks, Andrew. Awesome. What do we think, Sam? And Andrea? And Amanda? Go ahead and put your thoughts in the chat. Okay, now what's next? What do I do next? Thanks, Andrea. I love you're holding it up. I can see it in the camera. Great.
3 times 3.
3 times 3. Oh, this one right here, right? So we're going to go 3 times 3. And I always like to write my whole problem out again just so that I know where I'm at. What's 3 times 3, everyone? Put that in the chat for me. 9, 9, 9. Almost, Sharon. So 3 times 3. I see lots of other friends helping us out. I see 9. Nice try. Love that you guys are putting that in the chat for me. So 3 times 3 is 9. Let me put my plus sign. What's 4 times 3? I see 12. Does everyone agree 12? 4 times 3, 12. Sharon, what do you think? Andrew says yes, you agree. Andrea, 12. Awesome. Thanks, Sharon. Okay. So last little bit here. What's 9 times 12? We're about to solve this problem. How'd you do, Jen? Did you get the right answer?
21.
Oh, thanks, Kat. Kat says 21 on the mic. Love it. Does everyone agree? 9 plus 12 equals 21. Trish, it looks like maybe we're thinking about times instead of plus, and that's okay. We can come back and chat about that here in a second. So I see 21 from Alexis. Perfect. Okay, I see lots of 21s. Hold up your paper in the camera. Awesome. Look at all of that math work. Thanks, Sharon. Thanks, Trish. Alexis, what'd you get? Awesome. Look at that. Thanks, Kat. Sharon, did you get your problem completed? Almost there? Thanks, Karen. Excellent. Oh, you got 21. Look at that work. Okay, great. I love that you guys are all showing me your work. Okay, next thing we're going to do is a problem on your own. So this one's going to take a minute. We're going to still say x equals 3. So put that at the top of your paper. I'm going to write out the problem here on the whiteboard for you so you can see it, but then I want all of you to solve this on your own. So we have 2x plus x squared equals. And we're going to do x equals 3 again. Go ahead and write that out. And when you have the answer, hold up your paper and show us. Oh, Andrew, you are quick. Good job. Awesome. Kat's got it too. Let's see, Kat. Okay, I see it's kind of close. Maybe, okay, you've got the steps there. Can you solve it, Kat? Oh, there you go. Got it. I can see the whole thing. Perfect. Thank you. Okay, I'm seeing lots of good stuff in the chat. Thanks, Trish.